Unpairing and factory resetting your Apple Watch is something you might need to do when you're upgrading to a new watch, selling your current one, or fixing a persistent issue that simple troubleshooting hasn't solved. At first, it might seem like resetting the watch alone is enough, but Apple actually ties the unpairing process closely with your iPhone to ensure everything is properly backed up and removed, including activation lock. Skipping the correct method can leave your watch linked to your Apple ID, which can cause problems later. The good thing is that Apple has made the process very straightforward when you follow the right steps. In just a few minutes, you can safely unpair your Apple Watch, erase all data, and return it to a fresh, factory state. Try these. Step 1. Keep your Apple Watch and iPhone close together. Step 2. Open the Watch app on your iPhone. Step 3. Tap on all watches at the top and select your watch. Step 4. Tap the eye icon and choose Unpair Apple Watch. Step 5. Enter your Apple ID password to disable activation lock. Step 6. Wait for the watch to erase and reset to factory settings.